Okay, one of the things that was causing the first generation not to be going where we wanted to generate from this screenshot to a video was because the prompt had some names. So one of the things you have to avoid is mentioning any names on a prompt. It goes against the rules, the policy of Google VOE. So you avoid mentioning any name on the prompt, like names of persons, right? Yeah, any person's name, whether it's a known or unknown person. There's no need for, you can say just a Cameroonian man, or a Nigerian man, or an American man, and all that kind of stuff, or American woman. Instead of mentioning the name, say uh, uh, Glorious T, and so on. So that is it. Thank you. Wishing you the best as you dive into this journey. Hello, you're welcome to yet another video. In this particular lesson, we're going to be learning how to generate AI music. You can use AI music in different ways. You can use AI music in your background sound for your content or your videos and so on. So, and in this particular lesson, there are different platforms through which you can generate AI music, but the most reliable and the top one is Suno AI, and we're gonna be using Suno AI. So we're gonna be using Suno AI. So we'll come to our browser. We're gonna type Suno AI. If you've heard about it before or you haven't, okay, you're gonna type that. It's gonna open up. Take this first one here, and then you're gonna let it load. So the most important thing, or the first thing you need to do, is to sign in or sign up with Suno. And to sign up is actually free. You can actually sign up for free. So you can peruse through the platform and see exactly what they offer. The free plan, where you can actually generate, you know, you have 50 credits that renew daily, that you can generate 10 songs, no commercial use, because why, it's a free plan. And then you have standard features and all that and all that. So there are other plans that you can actually pay, right? You can actually pay, and you can use more options. So you're gonna sign up for free. So I would prefer to sign up with, you can sign up with different accounts or with different other, either your Google or Facebook or so on. So it's opening up. Now let's take sign up. Sign up with phone number. Click continue. Okay. On the code that is sent to the phone number. Check if the code has come. That's coming. 353413. Okay. So that is it. Say welcome to Suno. Create original music with just a prompt. Go deep with advanced editing tools. Publish to the community and share your creations. So you take on next. Just go through. They will ask you what genre of music you are into. So you go through and you select which one you want to be creating, right? Into gospel, for instance. Look through it, there is gospel here. So you simply select what you want to be creating. You can as well come back to that letter by simply just skipping. Skip for now, and then say complete your Suno profile. Username. What username can we put here? Say Bro T Jude. Display name. Let's put this. Bro T Jude. Next. Date of birth. You can put anything you want to put here. Let's put something like this and done. So that is it for this. So this in the next video, I'm gonna show you how to create videos, how to create music, AI music using Suno. All right. Thank you for watching. Welcome back to another video. Welcome to the training once again. So here we're gonna look at how to actually generate uh, music using Suno AI. So once you're here, you're gonna click on this tab at the middle here, and then here you're going to enter your prompt. You can see an example of the prompt here. Say an emotional country sound about writing a face melting guitar solo. So you can write a simple prompt as that, and then you request Suno to create. And what they do is they create two sounds for you, and then you choose the one that you love. So let's just do something like, oh, let's say a gospel sound, or a gospel song on the love and goodness of God. Let's just request something simple as this gospel song on the love and goodness of God. The type, a type, is it classical? Is it leave that like that? Calm down. It's nothing to change here. Need idea? Not for now. Create. It's creating. Let's hear what it's going to create. Let's just wait for the other one to finish creating. This one is the finish here.
Mountains bow when you speak, the rivers dance, the oceans sing. Your hand holds every star, every wing. I see the sunrise shout your name, and every breath declares the same. You can hear something cool there. The second one. Mountains bow when you speak, the rivers dance, the oceans sing. Your hand.
That is it. They give you two options. I think I love this first one. So once it's done that way, you simply click on these three dots here, right? And then you're gonna see the download option. So here you can download only because you're in the free version. You can download just to MP3. So you choose MP3. They will prompt you to upgrade, but you simply take download anyway, and they're going to download your song to your phone. Okay, so another way is this one of the ways you can actually generate. Another way is you can input your lyrics, right? You can input your lyrics. You can input your lyrics, and they will generate exactly what you want. Okay, the other one is downloaded already. So if you want to put in your own lyrics, for instance, so what you're going to do is you're going to click here where you have custom, right? Activate custom here, and then you can see now enter your lyrics, enter your own lyrics, which means you want to do it your own way. So what we're going to do is, so if you have your lyrics, right, you have type your lyrics, you simply come and paste them here, and then you click on create. You're going to create exactly what you want according to your lyrics and the customization you're going to give the model. So one of the ways you can do is to let ChatGPT generate the lyrics for you, right? So you can just give it a topic. Let's go to ChatGPT instance. Here we are. Say, write me a gospel song on the title. For instance, all you need to just give it the title, give him the title, and it will come up with a song. The title, let's take something like God is faithful. You can say, make it brief, brief, and powerful. Something like that. Free. Supposed to, let me create a new, I don't want to mix up here. Create a new chat, do that there. So ChatGPT is generating the song lyrics. You can see as simple as that. Okay, God is faithful. So I'm going to copy this. Then we head on to our model, which is Suno, right? Remember, we click here. We're already on custom, so we paste our lyrics here. That's it. So we can actually write up to 3,000 characters. We just have 775 here, and then you're gonna enter the style music here. Say contemporary gospel. Contemporary gospel through Christian music. String music, for instance. Okay. The title of the music, God is faithful. That is it. And then we hit create. They're going to create us two other sounds. It's creating and it's super fast. You can see. Let's test first.
In In the silence you were speaking, in my weakness you were strong. Through the fire you kept leading, you were there all along. God is faithful, ever true. Every promise He will do. Storms may rise, but I won't fear.
You can see that.
God is faithful.
Okay, let's test out the other one.
In the silence you were speaking, in my weakness you were strong. Through the fire you kept leading, you were
Oh,
there
beautiful.
all along.
So all of them are actually beautiful.
God is
So
faithful, ever true.
you can download. Just come and choose MP3. Download anyway. Then you wait for it to download. So that is it. That is it. How to generate. As simple as that. You can also generate just instrumentals, right? You can generate just instrumentals. So we have, you can see here instrumentals. So we can check. Means we just want the instrumentals. Just the instrumentals. Style of music, contemporary gospel, Christian music. You can add emotional, piano. So just try out something. You see, put the title God is faithful and you create. That's it, creating. So you can see, let's test out the instrumentals. We try second. So that is it. That is it. So it's as simple as that. So you just go through, you just peruse through the platform and see exactly what I need to do. So there's nothing quite difficult with this. So the difference is just that you will not be able to commercialize this. But you can use it for your simple stuffs, like your background. Like you see this instrumentals, you can use it in your background stuff and so on. Commercializing means being able to actually use the songs to sell or to do YouTube and so on, right? You may be flagged for copyright. You can see the instrumentals 2 minutes something. You can see the others on 3 minutes something and so on. So that is it. That is it for that. So once you're satisfied, you simply click the three dots there. You see now with the instrumentals, say you can download the Pro for this. We'll go for MP3 free. Take that. I love all the instrumentals, so I'm gonna download all of them. Now again. So that is it. Thank you for watching this far, and see you in the next lesson. Hello, you're welcome once again to yet another video. Thank you for following the teaching this far. In this particular lesson, we're gonna be learning how to generate videos, AI videos using Canva Pro. How to generate AI videos using Canva Pro. So the first thing, you will need to have access to Canva Pro. You need access to Canva Pro. So let's head on. You're gonna go to Canva Pro. Then ensure you're logged into the particular account that you have access to Canva Pro. You can either access it through the browser, or you go directly to the Canva app. You can download the Canva app from the Google Play Store. Okay, once you're here, you're gonna scroll here. You see AI, right? You can see AI here. Simply going to click on that. Okay, once you click on that, you're gonna see create a video. You can see it here. Create a video clip. Create a video clip. Click on that. So once you've clicked on that, you say describe your idea. So we have talked of prompt, how to generate prompts. So you can simply go to ChatGPT and put in your idea, let it bring out a prompt for you in a professional way. And then I have my prompt, simply paste it here. You can see the prompt says create a hyper realistic video scene featuring two well-dressed Cameroonian men and two elegant Cameroonian women sitting around a large glittering diamond-studded round table. So you can read through, and one of them rises up and says, "A humble woman will remain submissive even when she gets richer than the husband, but proud ones will pop up." Okay, and so on. So that's the prompt. That's the prompt. And once it's ready, simply click on this arrow here. Simply click on this arrow to generate. Let's wait and see what it's going to generate. Or it says, "I'm sorry, not great at adding text to video. Just yet, but I can create a video without text for you. You'll be able to add any text you want later in the editor." Would you like to go ahead and create a video without text? Yes. I want just the video. I don't want any text, so we'll enter yes and click the arrow. Okay, let's wait as Canva Pro creates our video. Okay, our video is done, so you can see. So let's play and hear what they're saying.
Et les gens étaient comme waouh.
Wow. Wow.
C'est ça.
Can you imagine? They created the scene, but then they didn't actually say what I said. Probably maybe the prompt was quite complicated. Let's try another prompt. They're talking about in French, right? But I didn't type in French. So those are some of the errors that the AI might do. So let's try another prompt. Let me get a prompt. Okay, we get back. And then let's put in another prompt. A very short and simple prompt. Here. Okay, once you're done, we're going to click this arrow again. Let's see what it's going to generate for us. It says again that I can't add spoken or written text to videos. Very well, just yet. But I can create a video with your description, and you can add the text or dialogue yourself later. Okay, so those are the limitations, some of the limitations you have with Canva, because they are still actually developing. So sometimes they may not give you exactly what you want. So they say, would you like me to make the video without the text? For now, yes. But as for Google VO, it gives you accurate, let me say near accurate stuff according to your description. Okay, let's see what it's going to generate for us. Okay, it's done. Let's see if it's going to have audio.
You know, it's funny because when we first started, everyone thought we were crazy.
We were.
We were.
Absolutely.
Yeah.
Crazy brilliant.
Okay, you can have that. So that is it, but it actually did not give us exactly what we asked for. The description of the images it gave us, but as for the vocals, it still has limitations, you understand? And once you're satisfied, or once the video is created, you simply click on this arrow here to download, right? So click there, it's gonna download to your device. Okay, It still has limitations. So that's it for that as far as Canva Pro or generating images or videos with Canva Pro is concerned. Thank you and see you. God bless you. You're welcome once again to another video. Remember, we looked at how to make AI music. You can also make a music video with AI, right? So the first thing is you're going to generate the image that you want to lip sync, right, for that particular song. So we can generate something like, remember the title of the song was God is Faithful, right? So we can go to this website, Leonardo AI. You can see it helps you to generate all kinds of images, right? So once you're here, you get started. So you can log in either with email or with the Google account or whatever. So let me try to log in. Okay, wait for it to load. Okay, once you're here, you can see agree to receive or so on, or agree to the terms. You need to agree here, but this other one is optional. If you want to be receiving emails, you can go ahead and agree the other one. Get started. Okay, here we are. So just the same thing. You enter a prompt of exactly what you want to be generated. Let me try to type a prompt. Okay, we'll try to just do something like this. Create a hyper-realistic image of a man sitting in a music studio, well equipped and decorated. He has a guitar in his hands and a professional microphone standing in front of him, and he is sitting in singing posture, something like that. It's gonna cost us 66 credits. So we go ahead to generate. Let's just see what it's gonna give us. Say you can access checklist and okay. What's wrong here? Generate. How did they say? Maybe later. Okay, let's wait as it generates the images. Okay, that's it. So you can see the images. It generates 4 images at the same time. So you can choose the one you want to use. So you can see all are nice, of course. So click on it and then you download image, download, and click on the other one, download. You can click on the, if at all you want to download all of them. I love all of them. I'm gonna download. Okay, so those are the images we need to try to create lip sync for our song. Thank you. In our next video, I'm going to show you how to the other platform, how to use the other platform to generate music video. Thank you. God bless. Okay, you're welcome back to Teach You Digitals. In this one, we're going to look at how to generate a music video, how to lip sync from image, how to cause image to sing or to talk or whatever. All right, the platform for this is we're gonna go to Hedra. So if you are new to Hedra, it's going to take you to where you are going to actually sign up. It came straight here because I've already signed up on this phone with Hedra. So that's why it just went straight. So when you sign up, they're gonna give you 362 credits. As you can see, uh, it's gonna be more than that. I've used it before, sure. So you can actually create video from image with Hedra. So the first thing is we're gonna ask you to put in the audio. So we're gonna click here to look for the audio. Gonna upload the audio. So we're going to let's download. Let's upload rather this particular audio. So Hedra is just 20 seconds. So we're gonna crop it to 20 seconds. Is it not cropping? See here. Okay. That's the first 20 seconds. The audio is there now. add to video. Gonna click add to video and then put the character. So we're gonna click here, upload the image. We use one of those images that we downloaded from Leonardo. So that's it. You can see the aspect ratio is already there, 16 by 9 and 720. Then we're just going to say, well, create a realistic video of the image singing the song. Passionately and playing instrument. Just something like this. Under normal circumstances, this is supposed to go straight. Let's try to see. Recently, they want you to upgrade before you be able to use the platform. All right, so let's see. We'll say the free plans are currently disabled due to demand. You need to subscribe to use Hydra, so you can subscribe. See 1 month free. Normally, this what they used to give. Maybe it's because I have already been using it free on this particular device, and they might have tracked the IP address, So you could actually use this for free. This first 300 credits, to actually generate music videos, 20 seconds each. So that is it. And if you are in for real business, subscribing may not be a challenge. You can choose to go ahead and subscribe to any of the plans that fit your financial strength, and then you can go ahead and generate amazing videos like what I generated before. I'm gonna play it here. What I've generated using Hydra.
From the rising of the sun to the place it sets, you are faithful, you have never failed me yet.
Okay, you can see that's one of the songs AI generated and video AI generated as well. So thank you for watching. Go ahead and try it at your own end and see the amazing results. God bless you. Shalom. Hello, you're welcome once again to Teach Your Digitals. You're welcome to the training. In this, I'm going to show you some other platforms that can help you to generate different kind of videos, animation videos, to animate images, image to videos, and how to edit even pictures and so on, to remove backgrounds and the like. So the first one, we have Remaker AI. We'll take this first one. So you can see with Remaker, you can do different things for free. What? Face swap. You can swap faces. You can do upscale. You can actually upscale images. There are some images that are blur. You can upscale them. You can remove backgrounds. You can erase and so on, and more features. And you can generate videos from images, right? You can see this example here. There are actually two different images, right, that were generated with Remaker and so on. You have AI anim generator and so on. Different things you can do with this. Let's try this image to video, for instance. Let's try to use one of these images that we generated from Leonardo. See, we're gonna upload. Then you're gonna enter a prompt here, right? You can enter the prompt. What do you want the image to do? Let's see, create a hyper realistic video from the image the person should rise up from his seat, goes and drops the guitar. Guitar smiles to the camera and moves to the left. Something like that. Let me copy those, for instance. Okay. I may need to sign in order to. I've not signed in yet. Let's just try generating. They say this is going to cost 30. Okay, the first time you sign up, you have 30 free credits. So I'm gonna sign up. Successful sign up. Okay, the image is still intact and everything. So you remember, you see, they gave us 20 credits, 30 credits, and this is going to cost us 18 credits. See, let's try and see. It's generating. Okay, that's the video. Let's see what it has produced. Okay, that's it. He rises up, drops, and he moves. Okay, that's it. So the next app I'm going to show you is we have Clean AI. Clean AI. You can type cleanai.com on your browser and it's going to show up. So when it opens, sometimes they will ask you all this. Well, let me just take this and then creator, personal interest. Okay. Okay, here you can actually click here. Let's try it. Upload an image. We will still use one of our images. It's uploading. And then you can enter your prompt. It's going to cost us 20 credits. The image does it. Let's just say create. Have a realistic video of the man singing and playing the instrument. Okay, go ahead. Let's hit create and see what it's gonna do for us. That's submitted. Generation in progress. So we'll wait to see what's gonna be generated. So while we're waiting for it to be generated, we'll go to the next platform. It's Hello. 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 So with Hello, it's the similar thing. You can generate images. When you sign up, they're gonna give you 300 credits. So you can actually do the same thing. Put in your image, put in your prompt, and then you hit on generate here, and then it's going to generate your video. Okay, let me check out what I've generated before. So that's it, and many other different platforms. So you just explore them and see the ones that will give you the best of what exactly you're looking for, and then you're going to get the result that you want. So that is it for that. Thank you for being there. Stay blessed and see you.